Hey everyone, this is Patricia. I just wanted to show you all how to do a quick tutorial on getting rid of the backgrounds. It is so much easier, so much faster to be able to use this with your Silhouette machines. A lot of times we struggle trying to get the backgrounds out using our Silhouette tracing features when we can actually use Photoshop with it, and you have Photoshop and you have Silhouette. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead on and get started. First, I'm going to double click to create a layer, unlock the layer. So now that I've unlocked the layer, I can go to my magic eraser. I'm going to click it, right click, and then click magic eraser. I'm going to go through all of them, and it takes less than 20 seconds to be able to do this. You guys just don't understand how fast it works to get rid of this stuff, and how you save it and place it so that you can actually use it with your Silhouette. I think I've gotten rid of basically everything. This is a small piece. I want to attempt to get rid of that one. And the only reason I want to attempt, because you can't see it anyway, so, and I don't want to delete everything that I already have. So I'm just not going to, I just won't touch it. I won't mess with it. I think everything else is done. So then you want to go to your file. You want to go to save as. And when you save it as, you want to go into PNG. You want to save it as a PNG. Put it in pictures. It's in pictures, PNG. It says rugrats-images.png. You're going to click on save. I already have it saved, so it's asking if I want to replace it. I'm going to click yes to replace it. Of course, you will click. It won't pop up for you, but it does pop up for me. I am working in Photoshop Creative Cloud. I'm going to go into Photoshop. I'm going to go into Photoshop. When I'm in Photoshop, I'm going to merge it in. I'm going to look for Rugrat. And I'm going to look for the one that says rugrat-images.png, which will be this one. I brought it in. As you can see, it has no background, but it's wide, and it's the width of this actual background. So to get rid of it so it isn't that wide, because when you're doing your cardstock projects, you don't want that. You want everything as close as possible. So the only other tracing you're going to have to do is you're going to trace it, but you only want to trace the outer edge. And that's what all of your, once you do this, that's with all of your projects, you just want to trace the outer edge. All you want to trace is the outer edge, because everything else you have, so nothing else, nothing else really matters. And I want to be able to get all of the hair, so I'm increasing it. And so I'm going to click Trace Outer Edge. Once I click Trace Outer Edge, I'm going to go to Modify and Crop. And as you can see, when I cropped it, everything became smaller. It's not as wide like it had with this actual background. Now you can utilize this and use it however you want to. I would not suggest you use this as a vinyl project, a t-shirt vinyl project, or a regular vinyl project, because it has way too many pieces. This is basically for your cardstock projects, if you're doing labels and different things like that. Anything with your cardstock projects, if you were doing a cupcake topper or what have you, that's what this is basically for. You're getting rid of your background, because this was a gray background. And of course, with your cupcake topper, if you wanted to do a cupcake topper, all you would do is you would put your offset, go to offset, and then you just basically want to make it smaller. You want to make it as close as possible. And I usually would go to like about 35, and then you basically just placing it white. And you may not be able to see it. I'm just going to bring it over. And then this is what your topper would look like. It makes it so much faster also if you're making those toppers or making labels or making all that different thing, all those different things. It makes it so much faster and so much neater and so much nicer. So that's all you would basically do for your cupcake topper. If I had to do this in Silhouette, it would take me so much longer to be able to remove all of this background. And I'm not even going to attempt to do it. I basically wanted to show you how I did it in Photoshop. Um, Utilize that Photoshop as much as you can to do your silhouette projects. Do not hesitate when it comes to that, because it is very, very beneficial. You're going to see me using Photoshop a lot in the groups because it cuts down on time. And I know a lot of us just basically want to cut down on the time. I know I do. When I want to do a faster project, I don't want to have to be deleting this and deleting that if it's a background that I don't need. I'm just going to go to Photoshop, bring it into Silhouette, and then do whatever I have to do from there. You can also take that, and if you're doing a vinyl project and it does not have a lot of colors, you can also do the same exact thing. Remove those background colors and um, go to tracing tools, and you would still trace it the same way, except you won't have all those background colors. They'll be deleted, and it also helps to fast up the pace on that as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Keep following me. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will have much more videos. My YouTube channel is under Tea Party Printables, so please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you all for following me. I really appreciate it. I am grateful. Thank you and have a great day. Bye bye.